Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear healthy food lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. The secret to flavorful soya chunks stir-fry starts with the right ingredient measurements. Here's the soya chunks stir-fry recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Soya chunks stir-fry is a delicious Indian-style recipe made with boiled soya chunks, onion, tomato, capsicum, and aromatic spices. Rich in plant-based protein, it absorbs spices beautifully during stir-frying, creating a soft, flavorful, and slightly crispy dish that's loved by vegetarians. It's quick to prepare and works perfectly as a side dish, evening snack, or light meal accompaniment with Indian breads or rice. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator instantly updates every ingredient with the correct measurements for your serving size. There's no need for manual calculations, making it easy to prepare the right quantity, whether you are cooking for yourself or a larger group. The page also provides useful recipe information, including preparation time, cook time, total time, course, diet type, difficulty level, calories, and the cooking method. You'll also find helpful cooking notes, famous info highlights, and an estimated nutrition summary with calories, protein, and carbohydrates. Personalize your soya chunks stir-fry with optional add-ons like capsicum, soy sauce, or fresh coriander for extra flavor and variety. Below the calculator, you'll find the updated ingredient list based on the number of persons you selected. Right beside it, the complete preparation steps guide you through every stage, from boiling the soya chunks to serving. Copy ingredients lets you save the ingredient list, while print provides a neatly formatted recipe whenever you need it. Once your ingredients are ready, boil the soya chunks for 5 to 7 minutes, then drain, rinse with cold water, and squeeze them well. Heat oil in a pan, add mustard and cumin seeds, then saute the curry leaves, green chilies, and onion until lightly golden. Add the ginger garlic paste, followed by the tomato, capsicum, and spice powders, allowing everything to cook until well combined. Mix in the boiled soya chunks and stir-fry for 5 to 6 minutes until the masala coats every piece evenly. Finish with garam masala and fresh coriander leaves before serving hot with roti, chapati, fried rice, or jeera rice. Boiling and squeezing the soya chunks well helps remove the raw smell as recommended in the cooking notes. Accurate ingredient measurements help you prepare flavorful homemade soya chunks stir-fry with confidence every time. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.